Hey guys, Vincent here for Slash Gear. Happy iPhone Day. I hope you're getting your iPhone 12s in today. I have here the iPhone 12 Pro in the gold finish. One of the reasons I asked or requested for the gold finish version of the iPhone 12 Pro is simply because every time I think of having the best mobile device or smartphone in my pocket, I can't help but think about the iPhone. Why? Because it has superior processing power compared to anything else out there since day one. Not to mention one of the best overall performance and video and image quality coming out of the camera system. Great display. I mean, having the entire app ecosystem at your fingertip to do whatever it is that you need to do, it's all in this package. Um, so that being said, this package or this design of the iPhone 12 Pro is something I've been waiting for a very long time. I'm just not a fan of this rounded edge design. It's really slippery to hold. It's not terrible to look at, but for me, having a flat edge band around the phone just feels right. I mean, it fits in the creases of my fingers. It stays in place. It looks good. I'm a big fan of this design. One thing to note are the buttons. Even the volume rockers and the mute button, as well as the power button, are all flat and flush to the band. So the one thing I do want to note is if you're using a third-party case, such as this one from Totality, or I can't remember, they shipped it to me to take a look at, it will flush against the case. So it's going to be a little bit harder to reach compared to Apple's design cases. I have the green one here, which goes really well. I mean, it pairs up really well with this gold finish. It's thicker, it feels more premium, and the buttons are now behind the case here, as you can see. But we're here to talk about the design. So that, in that case, I'm going to peel this case off and talk about the design. The gold finish required a new, more advanced PVD process to get this shine, if you will. Apple engineered a process using a very special high power impulse magnetron coating process, not your standard PVD process that the other three colors have. So that's why you get this, really shiny gold finish look to it. I kind of like it because it reminds me of kind of a bronze gold looking watch, if you will. On the back, the glass is just, I mean, the frosted glass is really, it's just really pretty to look at. It's not very shiny. It's one of the toughest on the market, claimed by Apple, thanks to a dual ion exchange process. And then, of course, the front is the star here. It's a little smudgy. Let me clean that up a little bit. The front is the star here because Apple basically claimed that the ceramic shield covering the Super Retina XDR display is 4 times better at performing in terms of if you drop it, it's gonna have 4 times chance of the display not cracking, if you will. I'm not gonna take that chance, obviously. Part of me will still want to put a screen protector on the display and probably even the back as well, or maybe even use a thin case. But overall, the 6.1-inch display feels perfect. It's not big like the Pro Max, and it's not small like the 5.8 iPhone 11 Pro. So overall, I think this is going to be one of the best seller, if you will, for the Pro range, unless you need some of the Pro features in terms of the quality output of the camera for the Pro Max. This is the one that I've believe everyone's going to get just because it's perfect for your hand, size-wise. And so that being said, I cannot stop looking at this device. The iPhone 12 Pro is just gorgeous. It feels great in the hand, and I hope you enjoy it as well, as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Vincent for Slash Gear.